Good evening, Ramadan Mubarak. It's Kay.
And it's
Go.
and we are here in
Muscat.
Oman, and we're so excited to be here because
What an amazing place, isn't it, Kay?
it's beautiful, Gogo, and we are going to be traveling around this amazing country and tasting some delicious Omani foods.
Of course, after the iftar. Well, iftar is when Muslim people do fasting. Iftar time is start eating between sunrise and sunset. We don't eat. Sunset is 6:24 here in Muscat today, and iftar times is the sunset times where we can eat after being thirsty and hungry all day.
Ah, and just look at this.
Masjid Al Zawawi.
So beautiful.
Incredible architecture.
Yeah, it looks very, very beautiful. And the skies are really lovely colour because we're just coming up to sunset, as we see. So we'll take you and give you a little look. You can see the inscription in Arabic around the mosque.
The minaret looks different. Every country we go, the mosque's minaret looks different, and this one looks incredible.
Yeah, it's beautiful. But I like the cupola.
Qibla.
The cupola.
Yeah.
The cupola is in gold, and it's so pretty.
And this is before praying, where you get wash your hands, feet, face, neck, everything. So if you don't wash yourself, you can't do praying.
Just look at that.
We are in Bin Atik restaurant in Muscat, and guess what? We have our own room.
We have our own room. So this is a very traditional Omani restaurant, and you sit on the floor to eat your food, which we love. So we're going to get a seat, have a look at the menu, and we're going to pick some amazing Omani foods which we've been highly recommended in this place.
Wow, look at this. We have this delicious shua. Shua is here in Muscat very famous, made from leg of lamb or goat, but we have lamb in here today, and this dish marinated with the spices and lived in the fridge for 48 hours, up to 2 days, and then wrapped in the palm leaves, cooked in an oven dug in the sand, and the smell is absolutely amazing. This dish normally served on a bed of basmati rice. Ooh. And as well as tomato sauce.
Oh, that smells amazing.
Look at that tomato sauce. Look how texture is so nice. And we have to go with it Omani bread.
Omani bread.
Which Gogo likes to make a wrap.
Yeah.
And also we have this beautiful salad.
And it's an Arab salad. So we've gone for an Arab salad, and it looks delicious, doesn't it, Gogo?
It does look delicious with the oranges and lemons.
Oranges. Bread.
Oh. It just falls apart, but no bone marrow in this. That looks so delicious. I want to taste it with this, like, because it's actually famous with this tomato sauce apparently. So
that looks delicious.
wow, that meat is so tender, so soft, and so delicious. All the spices I can taste. Oh.
Yeah.
The bone just comes off. Oh.
What was your bread like?
Bread is so delicious. I think a little bit similar to the flatbread.
Yeah.
But a little bit thicker because 2 layers on it. It's so delicious. But what I want to talk about is this lamb. So tender. As you can see, the bone just comes off. So delicious, juicy and soft, and the spices are like, you get cumin, you get black pepper, you get turmeric, and you get some kind of red pepper as well on it. It is so tender. Look at this. Oh, it just falls apart. And you know what? This tomato sauce is absolutely heaven. It's got lemon in it, salty, and onion in it. It is so delicious. I bet Kay's gonna love this tomato sauce.
And what about your rice? Looks delicious.
In entire world, my favorite herb is cumin, and this rice has got so much cumin in it and it makes it so delicious. I never thought having the cumin in the rice, but it's absolutely delicious. Cuminy rice. This dish is like 10 out of 10.
Wow.
Absolutely 10 out of 10. Tender meat, marinated to perfection and cooked the most professional way. The rice is perfect rice, is not sticky, it's cuminy, and lovely tomato sauce. We have oniony and lemony and salty, and beautiful fresh bread. I mean, only one thing is missing is the spices, so we have this for there.
Spicy sauce. I am going to try everything. This rice, wow, what a texture. And I'm gonna even try some of the lamb, which I don't normally eat, but it smells delicious. I don't know how they cook the rice like this, but that is amazing. The cumin really comes through. I'm going to put some tomato on, like this, and I'm going to try it with some tomato. I would imagine if you love lamb, you would absolutely love this. There is some lemon here, and we love lemon on our salad. Never had an Arabic salad before. I'm going to put a bit of salt on there and give it a try. It's got crunchy carrots, cucumber, tomatoes, and a fine chopped lettuce. The salad is heaven. Especially because we've been traveling around Southeast Asia for the last 6 months, and the one thing that I've missed is really nice salads. So the food in Southeast Asia is amazing, but they don't have the standards of salads that I'm used to. And I love a salad that's nicely marinated, and this one, even though I've put lemon on, it's already marinated in lemon. It's delicious.
I am not just saying, I never had a delicious lamb like this before. This is the most delicious lamb I ever had in my life. And the rice, wow, so nice, so tasty. That cumin make that rice is extra delicious. Plus this tomato sauce, when mixed with the rice, it's just goes on the next level.
And all of that food, Gogo?
It was only 4 riyal 900, like under 5 riyal.
Yeah.
We put how much in English and dollar as well underneath.
Yeah, we did. So let's move on to the next stop. So you all thought, oh, that's it for the food, but it's not. If you're new to our channel, we like to eat lots. Well, somebody does.
Somebody does.
Somebody does.
Not me.
Yeah.
Escape.
Yeah. So we're going to go and finish the night off with another food. So make sure you stay tuned.
Let's
and also make sure If you haven't subscribed to our channel, we would really, really appreciate it. We're a new channel, but we're traveling around the world, traveling and tasting as much street food as we can.
We need all of your support.
Yeah, so thank you. So let's go.
Something I don't really know what's going on. We just came to this beautiful sweet shop in Muscat, and the gentleman said you can sit and try whatever you want, but if I try, I'll be full anyway. But it looks delicious. Look at them.
Look delicious. So we're here to get some Omani halwa because we've heard that it's very, very famous here in Oman and very famous here in Muscat. So we thought we would end our day by trying some. So let's give it a try. And there seems like there's so many types and they've got different names on them, which we're not sure. This one,
Rahash al Diwania.
Rifash al Diwana. Are you going to try that one?
I need to get a spoon.
Yeah, get a spoon so you can try. This is like my heaven in here.
Oh, it's very soft.
Mmm.
Look at this.
What's that one flavoured of?
Turmeric.
Turmeric, wow.
It's got very heavy turmeric taste on it. Halwa is cooked with sugar, semolina, oil, with mainly the butter. But this one has got turmeric in it. But all different ones has got different ingredients. But the basic ingredients are semolina. The basic and main ingredient is semolina. And this one is very, very turmeric-y. Which one?
I'm guessing that this one is honey one, so I think
Yeah.
I'm going to try that one. Let's give it a go. I've got to say, out of all of the halwas that we've had traveling around different countries, this one I absolutely love the texture the best. It's delicious, and this one tastes of a beautiful taste of cardamom, some little nuts in there, and the honey is just divine. That is delicious, absolutely delicious.
I wonder which one has got the rose water, because they cook it with the rose water as well.
Yeah.
Which
So
one are you
let's
going to try
give that one a
first?
try. So this one says Sultanina red,
Must be Sultana.
Sultanina black. So I'm guessing red sultanas and black sultanas. This one is fig, and this one is al Diwania black.
What is Al Diwania black?
Walnut.
Walnut.
Ah, so this one is walnut. This one here, I'm going to try this one. You don't need a lot because it's nice and sweet, so just a little bit. That's very, very delicious. The walnuts are kind of crumbled in there, so it just gives the perfect amount of nuttiness and sweetness as well in there. I want to try some of this red sultana because I really like sultanas, and it looks as though maybe there's some carrot in there. Is it carrot?
Little bit rose water.
Rose water, ah. That one is very, very rich and absolutely delicious. You get just the fragrant rose water running through there.
I think it was going to fall down.
Which one
are you going to go for? Come on.
No, nothing.
Which one are you going to go for?
Which one would you prefer?
Walnut classic one, Omani.
It's classic.
Omani
Yeah.
walnut.
Traditional.
Classic. That's very, very good, the walnut
The
one.
camera shy gentleman told us. He's hiding. Walnut is the classic.
Yeah, he's very kind letting us
Yeah.
taste. It's delicious.
It is really sweet, and the walnut is actually hits you as well. It's so nice. Oh. I thought we make halwa in Turkey. Turkey, watch and learn. This is how you make halwa.
Coffee is.
This is our first
Wow.
coffee. And this is the coffee here.
Wow.
Cardamom, saffron, rose. Ooh. Is it amazing?
This is so nice. Like, oh my god.
Can you taste the...
Cardamom, you can taste the cardamom.
Ooh.
And saffron as well, a little bit saffron in it. Oh my god, this is so nice coffee. Whatever you do when you come to Oman, make sure you have the coffee.
Yeah. Wow, that coffee is amazing. I really can taste the cardamom in there. It's so good, that coffee. It smells so good and it tastes so good. It is delicious.
Yeah, we are the coffee partners. We love coffee.
Partners.
And the coffee in Muscat is absolutely amazing. The halwa is amazing. So what you guys think about the halwa?
It's so good.
So good. So you speak English,
Yes.
but you little.
Yes.
You speak Arabic?
Good.
Do you know what my name
Mom.
is?
No.
Can he read it?
Ah, here.
There, on her.
What is this?
Gokan.
Coca. What's your name?
Gökhan.
Gokan.
You.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought this is your name.
Yeah, that's her name is Kay. My name is Gökhan.
Yeah.
So what do you think so far about this
I
place?
think it's excellent. The hard job is going to be picking which one we choose.
Salam alaikum.
Ah.
After I'm putting up, frankincense.
Ah.
This is like
So
you
this is cool.
shisha pipe as well.
Yeah.
So, we ate the frankincense. We thought you ate it. But you don't, you burn it.
No, the thing is my fault. I just jumped in and put it in my mouth without asking
so
anything.
I copied off him.
This one
This
eat
one?
on same like this, no problem.
Ah.
You can see.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, you can eat it.
So you
Thank
can
the Lord
eat
for
it.
that.
But you put it on then, it makes a nice smell.
Yeah.
Oh, I never saw this one before. Ooh, it smells so good.
Oh, smells better than the taste.
Oh, it smells so good.
Oh.
That's amazing, the smell. Mmm. It smells really,
Smells
really
better
good.
than the taste.
Mmm. Very, very good smell. I love it. Definitely better burnt than in your mouth. We're going to buy some of this amazing coffee to take back home. We've got no room in our bag,
You like
but
box or box?
we'll take this back.
Huh?
Yeah.
Box.
Delicious, and thank you so much for having us, sampling the different
That
halwas.
is incredible. Like you
Yeah.
can taste everything in here. The coffee, all these delicious halwas, all different flavors, and the coffee is absolutely amazing. And if you don't want to buy it,
excellent
you don't want to buy it.
hospitality.
Really excellent hospitality.
Yeah.
It is absolutely amazing. Wow, what an amazing experience.
We've had a great start to our journey here in beautiful Oman, and we hope that you've enjoyed our Omani food today.
And Omani sweets as well. How good was that hospitality?
Amazing hospitality.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you. And don't forget to like
Comment.
and subscribe.
Yeah, hit the bell button as well so you can see our next adventures, because we have so many exciting things coming up ahead of us.
And until the next time,
It's bye from Kay.
and it's bye from Gogo.
See you soon.
Bye bye.